Well, when the alarm went off this morning at 7 a.m, it was pouring with rain. So we snoozed it a few times to see if it would get any better. And it's about 8 now, and it's still raining. We've just got a weather forecast on the InReach, and it looks like it's going to be pouring with rain all day. So we're packing up and we're going to hike in the rain. It's a long way today. It's only, it's 14 kilometers with 1,200 meters of descent, but that only gets us to the road, and that assumes we can get we can hitchhike on the road. If not, then it's another probably 10 Ks after that. So if it really does rain all day, we're going to be very, very wet. We'll see how it goes. This wasn't the way I wanted to finish this section. It's been absolutely beautiful, and it would be really nice to have a sunny day at for the end of it. But there you go. That's what you get. Oh, God. Here we go. And that is it. We have managed to reach the road. 17 kilometers with 1,000 meters down and 1,000 meters descent and 200 meters of climb. There was actually a lot more climbing than we thought there was, because we were kind of following this ridge line, and it was very up and down. And as we got closer to civilization, there was more, all the fields surrounding us were fenced in, so we couldn't really get off of the ridgeline. It was very up and down. It kind of drizzled with rain for most of the day. It's brightened up now when we got back down to the road, but drizzle, it was kind of drizzly, miserable weather all day. It wasn't the nicest weather to have on the last day of the trip, but there we go. So ever resourceful Siyuan has managed to find us a taxi. She's got in touch with the
guest house in town, and I found a guest house in town, and they arranged a taxi for us. So it's 10 kilometer out and 10 kilometer back. It's 30 kwai.
Amazing.
The taxi, but we're not gonna end up staying at the hotel. So I give him 10 kwai tip.
There we go. 30 kwai, that's about £3, $4 US. We have finished this section. We were planning to do another section, which was 10 days over there, I believe. But that's a lot higher in the mountains, and we've had we've been looking online, and people have said they tried to do it. It's reasonably popular. Other people do this section that we're thinking about, but a group tried to do it a few days ago, and they found there was just too much snow. So we're still thinking about that. So we might give it a miss. We might do something else. We've got a few other options, so we are thinking about what to do next.